Ever wondered why your garden isn't flourishing as you'd expect, despite all your efforts? Could it be something to do with your soil? In the world of gardening, soil testing and amendments play a pivotal role. Understanding your soil could be the game changer your garden needs. Soil testing, in simple terms, is a way of knowing your soil better. Imagine it as a comprehensive health checkup, but for your garden soil. It uncovers the secrets of your soil, revealing crucial information like its pH level and nutrient content. By understanding what's hidden beneath the surface, you can tailor your gardening practices to meet the specific needs of your soil. This can lead to improved garden health, more vibrant plants, and a bountiful harvest. So, soil testing is like a health checkup for your garden's soil. Now, you might be wondering, how can I test my soil? Well, it's quite simple. Start by digging up a small sample of soil from different sections of your garden. Combine these in a clean container. You can then either send this composite sample off to a lab for detailed analysis, or use a home testing kit for a quick assessment. The results will reveal your soil's pH level, nutrient content, and more. And voila! You now have a wealth of information about your garden soil. Once you've tested your soil, it's time for some amendments if necessary. Soil amendments are materials mixed into soil to enhance its health and fertility. Commonly, these include organic matter and lime. With the right amendments, your soil can reach its full potential. To sum up, soil testing and amendments are key to a thriving garden. Understanding your soil's nutrient levels, pH, and structure, then amending it appropriately, can significantly boost your garden's productivity. It's like giving your plants their favorite meal, tailored just for them. It's a game changer for garden enthusiasts, helping you grow healthier, more robust plants. Remember, your garden is only as good as your soil, so test, amend, and watch your garden thrive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.